Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Windows 10 edition supports Hyper-V and that CPU virtualization, Intel VTX or AMD-V, is enabled in BIOS. Once done, shut down Bluestacks and other virtual tools so they don't lock virtualization features. Next, open an elevated PowerShell or control panel. This starts the enabling process. You need admin rights because Hyper-V modifies system components. Follow these first actions now, because they unblock the detailed enabling steps that follow. You now enable Hyper-V itself. For speed, run PowerShell as administrator and execute. Enable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V all, then confirm. Alternatively, open Control Panel, Programs, turn Windows features on or off, check Hyper-V and its subcomponents, and click OK. Make sure to enable Hyper-V Platform and Hyper-V Management tools so Bluestacks can interact properly. Reboot when prompted. This applies drivers and services. After restart, open Hyper-V Manager to ensure the service is running. You finish by checking System Services, Open Services. MSC and confirm VMMS and VimaCompute are running. This proves Hyper-V is active. Then relaunch Bluestacks. If it still fails, note why some Bluestacks builds prefer their own compatibility mode versus Hyper-V. If you need to test, disable Hyper-V temporarily with Disable Windows optional feature and reboot, or install Bluestacks Hyper-V compatible release. If issues persist, update BIOS and Windows, ensure virtualization remains enabled, and try the enable steps again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.